Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to add a language to your keyboard in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click the Start menu, and select Settings or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. Then go to Time and Language, and click on Language and Region. In the Preferred Languages section, click on Add a Language. A list of languages will appear. Select the language you want to add and click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the language pack if necessary. After the language is added, click on it in the Preferred Languages list, then click on Language Options. Under the Keyboard section, click on Add a Keyboard and select the desired keyboard layout. You can now switch between keyboard languages using the language icon in the taskbar, or by pressing Windows key + space to toggle between them. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.